Hey guys, welcome back to Restoration Rescue. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Join us today as you unbutton your pants and we button up the rest of the door jam. All right guys, so last week we went ahead and we were working on this panel over here on the quote-unquote good side. So when we last left off, you saw that this panel was all the way down. So what we had is these slices. So what I ended up doing is on our other cab, I took tape and taped it across to make sure that we had the right curvature of the door. So when the door goes on, it matches, so it's not going to be off and we have to come back and grind more and do all that. So what we needed to do for that is one thing that helped us out, or helped me out, is when I did that, I put a grind right here on the metal so that this part was easily able to bend. And then, I don't know if you guys can see under here, but I welded it in a little bit better. I just got to come back and keep grinding, put a piece in here, and then come in, and there's a little piece right here that just like rusted away because it was so thin. Come in, bend that in, and put that in. But that's not what we're going to be knocking out today. We're going to be hopping on the other side and seeing if we can tackle some of this. So come on over here, we'll look and kind of give you a rundown of what we're going to be doing today. So obviously all our lights are over there, but you can see that it's all missing this piece right here, which on the other side just comes up and collapses like this. So I have a little bit of a piece, oh, it's right down here, I'm sorry, that's kind of laid out where it needs to go, and it'll go in like right here with the same mark. And I used another piece of metal that I had that lines up perfectly from the old cab that we cut off on this, so that this will line up. We'll build a panel down and hopefully get this thing welded in, and then hopefully maybe start building some of this metal down so that we can start putting this and patching this all back together. All right, so we weren't 100% clear, at least in our minds, and we don't know if you guys knew exactly what we were doing during the intro, what we were gonna do, and then you watched what we did. So we're gonna explain what we did. So we had to make the inner panel for this piece because the outer piece, like this, all spot welds into this as it goes up and all the way up to here. Unfortunately, it's rotted up here as well. We'll take care of that another week. But what we did is we made this panel first, kind of got it where it needed to go. We also cut this panel right here off of our blue cab, the other cab, and we were able to make two marks, and I don't know if you can see it on camera, the two red marks that are here, exactly where this panel came off that cab. Able to line it up and able to line up the bottom of this, because We got some spot weld holes and where the spot welds needed to go. We also had to take into account there's a little bit amount of metal which we could have grinded off and made flat, but then there's also the spot missing. And we don't want to cut away this good metal just to make sure that this is 100% accurate. So we came in, we got that welded in, and then we started making panels. We have a little bit of a spot that we need to fix up there because this had turned into rock, which we had fixed earlier, but didn't come down far enough when I did it alone. Couple more spots here. I had to make a panel here, and you can see how it curves. And it curves back in here. And if you come a little bit towards me, Tim, right in here, it's curved in the back. And you can see it back there. We were able to make that, weld it down, and then using our body shaping hammer and the back of this, able to smack it into the right spot and get it where it needed to be so then we could weld it in. Obviously, this is going to be hidden, but we want to do things right, so we're going to come back later and grind this all back so it's nice and smooth, so that when we go back and put this panel in, it's not bowed or pushed out from these little these welds here, and just so it's nice and smooth. So if this ever has to happen to anybody else again, they're going to come back in here and be like, maybe they didn't even have to do this panel because it was done right, grinded back, and it looks professional. And that's the kind of what we're looking for, even though we're definitely not professionals. But that is going to be a wrap for today's video. This took a lot longer than we expected and actually turned out 110% better than what we thought we were going to be able to do. We didn't think we would be able to get the curves in as well. But like I said, that's going to be a wrap. Make sure you guys are commenting, liking the videos, and make sure you guys are subscribed so you can catch more action from us here at Restoration Rescue.